Welcome to Bash Scripting Solutions by Ron Brash and Ganesh Naik, a course by Pact Publishing. I am Todd Heppenstall and I will be the presenter of this course. Ron Brash is the CTO and co-founder of a successful technology consultancy company that provides services in a multitude of domains, but primarily in FOSS and Linux. For over 7 years, he has worked on embedded systems, which provide security and network connectivity in industrial control systems and SCADA networks, all running an optimized embedded Linux. He participates regularly at FOSS and community events, providing feedback and mini-seminars where appropriate. He loves to share his knowledge. Ganesh Naik is an author, consultant and corporate trainer for embedded Android, embedded Linux, IoT and ML-related product development. He has over 20 years' experience and project accomplishment in IT. He has been a corporate trainer for Indian Space Research Organisation, Intel, GE, Samsung, Motorola, Penang Skills Development Centre, and various firms in Singapore and India. He started a company called Lavana Technologies, which works with organisations for consulting and training activities. Let's look at the overview of the course. The first section is Crash Course in Bash and covers the Linux shell Bash to get you up and running, and the remainder of the book will just fall into place. After that, the section Acting Like a Typewriter and File Explorer introduces several bolt-on technologies to make Bash even more extensive when searching for items in text, or automating File Explorer or file system operations. The next section, Understanding and Gaining File System Mastery, will help you view files from various angles: head, tail, less, searching for files by name and/or extension, creating a diff of 2 files, patching, creating symbolic links and using them effectively, crawling file system directories, printing a tree, and more. Moving further, making a script behave like a daemon is about creating components that mimic application functionality, such as menus or a daemon. Post that, the next section will be Scripts for System Administration Tasks. Introduces logs, archiving them, job or task management, network connectivity, securing systems using a firewall, IP tables, monitoring directories for changes, and creating users. Next section is Scripts for Power Users. It is about creating syslog entries using the logger command, taking backups, creating graphics and presentations on the CLI, checking file integrity and tampering, mounting network file systems, and retrieving files. Writing Bash to Win and Profit section will help you learn how to use commands and scripts for many tasks. You will get an idea about writing Bash scripts for monitoring certain tasks. The final section, Advanced Scripting Techniques, will help you learn about advanced scripting techniques as well as how to customize their shell. This video course introduces several key concepts of the Bash scripting language that you will need to master to begin writing functional scripts. Starting with input-output and string manipulation, the course leads to creating several unique mini-projects. Examples are filled with best practices and tricks. So, let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.